So how exactly does it work again?
I'm not actually sure. I just have to focus really hard when I sneeze or I could end up somewhere else entirely.
Well, I hope you can concentrate hard enough. Anyway, so when you're ready, just put this around your neck. When you switch it on, you'll...
Sound like Batman?
Pretty much.
Awesome!
So, you got your pepper?
Yep.
Alright, good luck. That is cool. That is very, very cool.
Hey, how'd you get in here? Hey!
If I ever see you put one of those in your mouth again, I'll be back.
That was amazing. You should have seen me. I knocked out like 6 guys.
Okay, yes, that's cool. We just probably should leave before someone calls the cops. What did that guy do anyway?
No, nothing. I was just helping him break a habit.
What kind of guy just has hired muscle like that?
I don't know, Clyde.
You need to stop that.